Now, as you can see here, I'm going to tell you how to make the sky epic. So let's get started right away with our first step. Now let's move to CapCut, where we can add your videos. After that, you can even include photos if you have any. Now, as you can see here, you can add photos from your collection. After that, simply click on your chosen photos or videos. Now, let's explore how to create something epic. For example, we have this amazing footage that we can work with together. The sky is beautiful, but the moon and this fog look unappealing and don't really fit well together, as you can see here. Now let's dive into the filters section. Here we carefully explore various options to enhance your visuals and create magic. We select the very first option, and here we adjust it to around 40. As you can see, it becomes nearly invisible. The clouds and sky now look a bit more dramatic, and after this, you can choose from various options. Here we have this option, and you can choose something like this, plus or minus, or even explore other variations. We can do something like this, as you can see, because you can even add a little bit more to enhance the overall effect, creating depth. This looks quite beautiful, as you can see here, and it really enhances the overall scene, making it more captivating. You can set it up, and it will look really beautiful, plus or minus, of course. You can add various colors as you like, making it unique to your style. That's all for now. Thank you all very much. Thank you for watching. Good luck. Goodbye.